Hope you're having a lovely day and you're searching for another recipe. This is the Majestic Cupcakery.
Hi everyone! Wow, it's been a really long time, but I'm back with this amazing Biscoff brookie recipe. Delicious gooey brownie, a layer of Biscoff finished with an amazing cookie dough. I'm honestly drooling thinking about it. So for the cookie dough base, let's start off with 75 grams of butter into the mixer, making sure it comes to room temperature, followed with 165 grams of brown sugar. Then just set that mixer on medium and beat until nice and light and fluffy. You'll see the colour change slowly, getting lighter and lighter. When it's done, it will look completely different from when it started. You're then going to add 1 full egg and 1 egg yolk to the mixture, along with 140 grams of plain flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 100 grams of chocolate chips. Don't panic, the ingredient list will be all in the description. Give that all one final mix around to combine everything together. It should then be ready to go in the tin. So I've pre-lined a 7-inch square tin, kind of, and just added the cookie dough in. Started with a spoon to press it down, but as you will see it kept sticking, so I resorted to the good old hands to help me even it out. I switched between my hands and the spoon just to get the base nice and even, so each slice had the same amount. It's now time to make the brownie layer. So you want to start off with 125 grams of butter in your mixer, and then add in 200 grams of caster sugar to that. Give it a little mix around until it's nice and fluffy. This is the same method you would use to make a cake, sort of, instead of the traditional melting your butter and sugar together and all that jazz. So just keep on mixing until it's lovely and pale and light looking. When you've achieved that, it's time to go in with your eggs. You're going to need 2 eggs, and it's fine to go ahead and throw them both in together. Once they're in, give it a good thorough mix around. This is key to getting that nice crispy top. I don't know the science behind it, but mixing your eggs in for about 4 to 5 minutes somehow makes the top crispy and the inside gooey, so that's what we're going to do. Once it's ready, it's time to add in your melted chocolate. Make sure your melted chocolate isn't too hot before you add it to your mix. Then just follow that up with 100 grams of plain flour and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix again until it's all combined. This mixture makes enough for 1 20cm square tin, and that's roughly 6 to 12 pieces depending on how big you cut them. Back with the cookie dough. So I've just melted about 3 tablespoons of Biscoff spread, and I'm going to pour that over the cookie dough base. You can use as little or as much as you want of this, but I like quite a lot. Treat yourself. Actually, cooking and eating it like that would make some really yummy Biscoff cookie dough bars, thinking about it. Might have to try that. Anyway, go ahead and add your brownie mixture on top for the final layer. Give it a good spread around, making it nice and level. As you can imagine, this is going to be a very sickly brownie. So as I said before, 6 pieces may be a bit too big, so cut them however big you feel brave enough to. I'm adding on a few Biscoff biscuits. It also gives a guide where to cut later. Bake it in the oven on 160 degrees fan for 35 to 45 minutes, or until the skewer comes out slightly crumbly. And that's it, you get this amazing brookie. Why not try with different fillings and let me know how yours turned out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see new videos as and when I upload them. I'll see you all next time, bye!